Good morning, guys. Despite that, you can kind of see that there's daylight out there a little bit. It is daytime, but I did get that window covered up, which is something that I've been wanting to do. Got some laundry started. You might be able to hear that. Got all of that out of there. Getting stuff moving. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Halloween look today, because as you guys know, my face is a little so I'm trying to figure that out. This is how the room looks so far. I've got most of this stuff cleaned out, including cat on bed right there. So getting all this figured out, and that's going to be the YouTube room. I'm so excited. So that's how the day has gone. Sorry I didn't update you right when I got up, but been trying to get a lot done. So that's how everything's going right now. And I'll check back with you guys in a while. Oh, so cute, so cute. Sweet little baby. Oh, there's one under there too. Hi, baby. Hi. And there's a baby back there too. There's just babies everywhere. Everybody's taking a little cat nap. It's better than running around acting crazy. Alright, now we're going to have a little bit of a kitchen adventure happening. Sorry it's kind of dark, but the main light bulb glares really bad, so I just have these lights on. So I'm going to be actually cooking, so I figured I would bring you guys on the adventure, have a little kitchen adventure. If you've been here for a while, you've probably actually seen one or two of those. If you haven't, you should check them out. Sorry about the washing machine. Washing machine is washing. But yeah, we're going to be making some jalapeno cheddar meatballs. Heating those up. I'm going to throw them in a crock pot and make some deliciousness, so when my boyfriend comes home from work, he has some delicious to eat. So I got this thing all heated up, and I'm going to throw some butter in there. I'm going to take some of this garlic, my fancy garlic press. Alright, I'm going to take our meatballs and put them in there. There we go, we got meatballs in here. Doing their meatball thing. Alright. Cute. Oh, this is the tiniest little clove of garlic I've ever seen in my life. One time I had this garlic, it was called like elephant garlic, and it was huge. That was like the biggest garlic I've ever had in my life. But the only problem with it is it's not as flavorful. It's more mild than regular garlic. And I like my garlic really strong. This little tiny knife is not going to do well mincing all of this garlic. So, all I did was make more dirty dishes by trying to do that. Note to self, when you think you're trying to make things easier on yourself, you're really just making it take longer and be more dishes and suck. Just do it the right way the first time. Valuable life lesson for everyone. Look how big this one is. That's a big piece of garlic compared to the little baby one. So peel off this garlic. I'm actually going to let this do its cooking for a little bit and mince up this garlic, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, I have browned my meatballs, so then we're going to put these meatballs inside of this crock pot. I am roasting up some garlic, some more garlic, because it's garlic. It already smells so good. Try to find utensils. Maybe I should have found the utensils before I started recording. Alright. That smells so good. Just roasting up some garlic here. I've got my can of sauce. We have Heart Smart, because apparently we need good heart Prego sauce. But it's roasted red pepper and garlic. Ha! Who saw the garlic coming? Anybody? I'm surprised I got that open with all the grease on my hands. And I'm gonna pour that into my meatballs. A little bit of this, because this stuff is just amazing. Got it at the farmer's market. It's like, just delicious and perfect in every way. And a little Lawry's, because Lawry's. I want some Italian seasonings. That sounds like it would be a good thing to put into a meatball red sauce dish. Pinch of sugar. Yeah. Got meatballs and some sauce and stuff. Yeah. Got that stirred up pretty good. I'm gonna put the lid on that and leave that for a really long time. I'll get back with you when it starts doing stuff. The little baby fell asleep all silly. What a little sweetie. Oh, little babies. Little sleepy babies sleeping in a box. You're so cute. I love my little babes. Yeah. This has been cooking for a while. A couple hours. Ooh, hot and steamy. That's how it looks right now. Pretty excited about it. I don't know if you guys are gonna get to see in today's vlog how it turned out, because it's gonna be done pretty late at night. But if not tonight, you will see tomorrow. If this was delicious. Well, I think that's pretty much it for right now. It's getting late. Got a little baby sleeping on me. Kind of just like flop over my arm. Kind of silly. Ah! I almost threw you across everything. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, because by the time anything else happens, it's just gonna be like really late and no point to it. So yep, check out my links in the description below. Check out my Halloween looks that I've been doing. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any more of my Vlogoweens or any of my other things that'll be happening. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave any suggestions in the comments for things you want to see me do in the future. I'm always looking out for those. And make sure you share this with your friends so that everybody can see all the cats I have. As another one comes up here. Hey, baby. Hey, what are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Do you notice that the jackets are gone, baby? Is that it? You like to climb in those, don't you? Yeah, they're gone. I'm sorry. So, other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.